Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you what to do if you don't see the new Instagram feature called Threads. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any of the social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So Threads is a new feature which Instagram have just released, where it is basically a personal messenger which is tied to your Instagram account. Now you've seen other users who have got this invitation to use Threads, however you haven't got it, so let me show you some things which you can do to access the Threads invitation. So the very first thing which you need to do is make sure your Instagram app has been updated to the latest version. So you can go to your Play Store or your App Store and upgrade your Instagram app. Once you've upgraded it, go ahead and tap on Open. Next, you're going to tap on Search, and here you're searching for Threads app. Now, once you do the search, if you see a ticket emoji just next to your Threads app search, that means you have that feature installed on your Instagram app. Now, if you still don't see it, then this means that it's not available in your region, and there's nothing else you can do apart from just wait until Instagram rolls it out to you. So you just need to have some patience and wait until Instagram rolls it out to everyone. And there you go, guys. Those are some things which you can do to your Instagram app if you don't see the new Threads feature on your Instagram app. So if this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.